Welcome to 39050 Biltmore Avenue in Gonzales, Louisiana. As you walk through the front door, you'll be impressed by the open floor plan, crown moldings, mounted ceiling fans and insert lighting, and a gas log fireplace. This open concept is perfect for entertaining guests. The eating area is big enough for a large dining table, and the custom lighting is throughout the home. The kitchen features white cabinetry, granite countertops, upgraded fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and a glass inlaid backsplash. Off from the kitchen is a tucked-away built desk. Down the same hall is a walk-in laundry room with a folding table. And off from the garage is a place to set down your bags, books, and shoes. As you enter the master bedroom, which comes fully carpeted and features varying ceiling heights, mounted ceiling fans, and crown moldings. The ensuite master bathroom has double vanity sinks, slab granite countertops with white cabinetry, a large soaking tub, and a standalone shower. And you'll be impressed by the large size of the master closet. Heading towards the other side of the home are 3 more bedrooms. All have mounted ceiling fans and are painted in a neutral color palette. All of these rooms come fully carpeted and have plenty of closet space and let in lots of natural light. The hall bath has double vanity sinks, a tub shower combination, and cool ceramic tile flooring. As you enter the backyard from the back of the home, you'll be impressed by the sheer size of this backyard, which comes fully fenced and has plenty of room for a pool or playground. The porch area is fantastic for summertime barbecues with family or friends, and with the size of this backyard, the possibilities are endless. 39050 Biltmore Avenue in Gonzales, Louisiana is turnkey ready and is available for your private showing today.